Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Katzelcreate and welcome back to our channel. So if you hear any background noise, it's just my son. He's having his lunch and his distance learning, so I do apologize for that. So I wanted to come along today with a happy mail box from Stamps of Life that I am subscribed to. But before that, I wanted to do a thank you to whoever sent me this. So my son, today is Monday, I probably won't upload this until Wednesday. So my son went to the mail yesterday, and it had this name, Katzelcreate and Sunday delivery. So I got this on Sunday. We didn't check our mail on Monday, so I'm sure we got it on Sunday. So it didn't have a note of who sent me this. Yeah, hubby looked at me like, what did you order? I'm like, I didn't order anything. I promise, I swear I did not order anything. But somebody gifted me this, and thank you. I believe this is also part of Alicia's We Wish that I wished for early this month, I believe, or last month. Oh my goodness, I can't remember my days no more. So thank you whoever gifted me this. I have an idea who it might be, but I don't want to say names. Might be wrong, but if I'm so totally wrong, I do want to say thank you for whoever gifted me this. I so appreciate it. I know Pam did give me one, and if you know me, I'm probably hoarding it. I was hoarding it because I didn't want to waste it, because I didn't want to fall in love with it and like waste it all of a sudden, and then I'd be like, oh. So anyways, thank you, because now I can use Pam's and save this for a while until I use the Pam's, and trust me, I will be using it up to the glory. Also, I wanted to say thank you to Fun Time Crafts 24/7. She here on YouTube, she has a YouTube YouTube channel, and she has oh my god, she shows her creations, and she has Friday, I want to say it's Friday giveaway day or something like that. So she is a Stamps of Life, she loves Stamps of Life as well. She gets her products. So she asked for a wish, or wish, want, or something like that. Anyway, so I wanted this. I've been wanting the die, but I want a bigger die. This is if I were to buy the die with this, it would be a smaller die. But anyways, I'm looking for the bubble die, or the bubblegum die. So hopefully, I did suggest it to Stephanie, and she did acknowledge, but I don't know, it might take her a year or so. So I love this. So I'm so excited. I got the stamps and hoping to stamp it away and hopefully enlarge it on my printer or my scanner and my printer. So yay. So I got this. She selected me as one of her winners. So, and she also additionally gifted me $25. So this is what I got. Isn't that cute? And then I got this one. Look at him, so cute. Oh my goodness, I fell in love with him or her. And this is Cookie, and that's Stephanie's dog. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. I don't know. I'm sorry. I just joined Stephanie's, and I do blame Maka for this. So, sorry, Maka. Hi, Maka. Hi, Funtime Crafts. Sorry. So, it has a bow, so I'm assuming it's a she, because like I said, I just joined Stephanie Bernard's YouTube channel, and she says cookie, but I don't know if it's a female or a male, but I'm assuming it's a female. So isn't that cute? And then I got these little elves. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. So excited. Thank you again, Ms. Funtime Crafts 24/7. I will link her channel down under the description below if you guys are interested in going ahead and following her. She does amazing stuff. She just started her channel not too long ago, and wow, she's growing, and I'm so excited for her. So anyways, on to the Stamps of Life. I've already tore some pages because I thought that was so cute. So this is the kit, a monthly kit, and it's a card kit, and I'm still to make a card. Sorry. Anyway, so this is the paper pad that comes with it. It's usually a 6x6, and let me just go ahead and flip it. And I'm a little late in showing this. Reason why I'm late is because I did videotape this earlier in the month, and I don't know what happened to the video. And it has this puffy stickers, and this was my freebie. This is a Ken freebie. So Ken is Stephanie's husband, and he's putting 2 extra dies in our kits every month until the end of December. So I got this one, so cute, and I got this one, and this is a postal die. So excited. This one comes along with the die. It's fabulous. So there you go. It's the shade and the fabulous die. And then it also came with this, and this is a flower die. And then some inspirational tags or inspirational cards that come along with each kit. And this one is a happy birthday. So this month is Stephanie's birth month. Her birthday is August 11th, and this is her extra gift to us. So this is an extra gift from her to us. And then it also comes with this stamp set. Then it comes with the bling, this cute bling. And then it comes with these bow paper clips, and then it comes with these type of ribbons. So this was for this month. Sorry, you guys. And then it usually comes with a folder like this. Some people didn't get the folders because they actually ran out. Wow, they must be pretty busy. So it comes with this folder, which you could hold all your paperwork. It comes with envelopes, and it comes with the cardstock. So these are the few cardstocks that it comes with. So exciting. And this is my 3rd month receiving the kit. I'm really excited. I'm really happy about it. Like I said, I still yet to make a card. Be honest with you guys, I do not know how to make cards. Card making is the hardest thing for me. And actually, Funtime Crafts actually posted a video today about making cards, so I can't wait to watch. I haven't had the time, but I'm hoping to watch sometime soon. So like I said, this is an awesome kit, awesome box to have, and thank you again for watching. And yeah, I'm so excited to work with all this, and I'm so excited for this. Anyways, thank you everybody for taking the time again to watch. We'll see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.